Hello viewer, scammer and hacker love one secret setting in your Android phone. If you don't turn on this Android powerful secret setting, you might be at risk. So do it now. Open your phone or dial apps. Now tap on the three dot from the top right corner. Go to setting. Now see the option caller ID and spam. Go to caller ID and spam. Now see the most important setting, filter spam call. This setting help you to prevent suspected spam call from disturbing you. So you should enable filter spam call. This setting ensure your safety and privacy from the scammer. So in this way you can stop spam call forever with this Android setting.